What's up guys, we're going to do an unboxing of the New Balance 327 in mushroom with aluminium colorway. I really love the style of the New Balances 327, the new branding with that new big N logo. Let's just get straight into an unboxing. So this is the box, pretty standard. Pretty box standard stuff, grey box. Throw that. There we go, we've got the shoes in there. Let's take them out. So there we go. So it's got the new big N logo for their new 327 style, oversized N branding. It's got this mesh upper here. Also don't get this mixed up with the standard grey and silver colorway. This is got a more of a brown grey. Well, they call it aluminium and mushroom, so it's got more brown tones. I really like this because it's more unique and it's not as common. All the hype beasts will like this. It's just a good everyday shoe you can wear everywhere, super comfortable, and it can match anything because it's grey and white pretty much, and because it's got that mushroom colour as well, it will suit more of your beige tones, beige brown tones. So this is the other side of the shoe. It's got your New Balance there. This is like a mesh upper. So these go true to size. So I'm usually 42.5, US 8 usually, but this is a US 9 in New Balance. It's a 42.5 US 9. I really love the front of it as well. It really reminds me of the Yeezy 700s. You take a look at that, and the trail inspired outsole is really nice, really grippy, really, yeah, it reminds me of the trail shoes. That's what the actual specification says on the product details. They're like trail, great for hiking, good everyday shoe just for lifestyle. It is branded a lifestyle shoe though. It's got that real nice retro look as well, retro but also modern. Just a beautiful shoe. Look at that. And the back heels look like that, so it's got that, you know, you could play some basketball with these. Nah, actually not, you probably can't, but I really like that new look. It's really cool and unique, and yeah. After this, beautiful. Let's check it out on feet. For any of those who are wide footers, I'm a wide footer too, so these fit really well because it's got this mesh which is really soft and flexible.